fire's out, stone cold, what do you do with the ashes? Well, you can either scoop them out, scrape them out, dump them out, but I prefer to use my Shop Vac ash vacuum. So I'll move the camera here and get you a gander of the remnants of the big burn off. So yeah, here's what's left. There's a little bit of chunky stuff in there that may or may not plug the hose, but we'll give it a shot. So all that beeping here is the inverter crying that it's in overload, because every once in a while that Shop Vac stops in a spot where it draws a lot of current to get it spinning again. So it'll play nice, and we'll clean this up. So this Shop Vac has a internal steel mesh screen in it, and on the other side of the screen is the actual HEPA filter. And being an ash vacuum, them two little items quickly clog up quite often, especially when you're doing a lot of cleanup like this fire pit. So every once in a while it'll start losing suction, it'll really start performing poorly. So you just got to shut it off and pop the top off and beat off some of the ash back into the container. And then every once in a while you do have to take the element out and give it a good beating against the fence to regain the suction. So I got a couple of pieces stuck in there, so it's performing quite badly right now. But I'll figure it out that it's partially plugged and get it going again. So that's it for the cleanup. So I'll just reassemble the little burning rack in there, and then I'll swing over the top cooking grate, and I'll go ahead and put the cover on. So like I mentioned in my assembly video, the cover here's got a cinchable little bungee strap on the bottom of it that you can cinch up, and then you see the little buckles there that you can use to secure the cover down so the wind can't blow it off and get the whole thing wet. It's raining out there, and you know, get the thing all mucky and nasty. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.